What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a custom jean tie again, but this one is from scratch, okay? And I think I'm gonna put a little twist to it. I think I wanna make a star jean tie. So last night or yesterday's video, I made a custom jean shirt and it's actually behind me. Made this custom jean shirt. If you didn't see that, make sure you guys go check that video out. In this video, I am going to be using the scraps from those jeans and making a custom tie. So I do have a tie that I want to use as my template, and then I'm going to have some jeans, use that tie, cut out the jeans, sew it all together, make something cool, make something, you know, the best by C-Mac. So let's just get into it. So basically, I got my pair of jeans that I actually want to use. We're going to lay these out flat. I'm just going to lay our tie on the fabric or the jeans. Actually going to have to use two sides. So basically, I am going to be making a star tie, so I don't want to trace the outline or the bottom of this. I'm going to actually cut out my shape that I actually want. I'm just going to use this as a size and length measurement. So that's the only thing. If you wanted to not make a star tie, you can use and cut out the shape of this tie exactly. But again, in my case, I want to make a star tie. So we are going to go ahead, use this as reference. So it looks like I am going to need both sides or pant legs off this pair of pants. Since this doesn't go all the way up to, it doesn't use the length of the tie, I am going to go ahead and use it down here, and then I'll end up sewing those parts together. And then basically where this is cut off, I'm gonna go ahead and sew these together by flipping. So this is the top of the tie. This one on this side, I'm gonna sew that together. This is just gonna be a simple straight stitch. So it should look something like this now. It should look like one long tie piece together. I mean, we got our base now, long tie. Here, now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out my shape that I want. So again, in my case, it's gonna be that star. All right, now that we got kind of our shape to cut out, I don't know how I feel about this star, but it's gonna have to do. To finish, or to kind of get closer to our final product, we are going to flip the tie over, fold, are going to sew this whole side down. All right, y'all, so I sewed all that together. Super cool. I don't know how I feel about it. It's definitely different, but you know. So we are gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put on a button-up shirt just so you guys can see the vision, and then we got our tie. All right, y'all, so I wouldn't wear it with this specific button-up, but my other one is actually washing right now. But this is what it's looking like. Just again, imagine it, styling it with something else, especially not with any sweatpants. Ooh, I can even throw this on though. Some jeans. This don't look too bad. Yeah, I'm into different stuff, so if this is not y'all style, bear with me. I think I'm liking it. I'll definitely put a white shirt underneath though. Nice little DIY star tie. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is a crazy outfit. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave what you guys want to see down in the comment sections below. This is just looking at myself in the mirror, y'all. This is a crazy outfit. This is outrageous. But focus on the tie. Focus the task at hand, okay? So let me know what you guys think. Again, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe. Stay positive. And you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.